Vidya Mirat. This video is made for class 6 on chapter number 8 decimals, and today we are going to do exercise 8.3 of NCERT. Question number 1. We need to find out which is greater. Now here we need to remember two things. Now you were given the question in the decimals. First you will convert these decimals into fraction form and see that whether the denominators are same or not. If they are not same, we will try to make it same. And once the denominator becomes same, like it should be 10 or 100 or thousands, both the numbers should have same denominator. Then on the basis of the numerator, whichever number is bigger, we will put the greater sign. Now here for example, A part we have 0.3 or 0.4, which is greater of it. First let us convert it into fraction. It becomes 3 upon 10 and 4 upon 10. Both the cases denominator are same. Now which is bigger, 3 or 4? 4 is bigger. So I will write down 0.4 is greater than 0.3. B part, 0.07 or 0.02. Now converted into fraction, it becomes, there are two digits after the decimal, that means I will put two zeros. That becomes 7 upon 100 and 2 upon 100. Denominator is same. Which is bigger, 7 or 2? 7 is a bigger number. So 0.07 is greater than 0.02. C part, 3 or 0.8. Now 3 is a whole number, other one is in a decimal. It is very clear that 3 is greater than 0.8. 0.5 or 0.05. Now after the decimal, in the first case there is only one digit. In the second case there are two digits. So what I will do is first convert it into fraction, 5 upon 10 and 5 upon 100. So denominator is not same here. So what will I do? I will try to make 10 as 100. So for that I need to multiply 10 in the numerator and 10 in the denominator, which means 5 into 10 upon 10 into 10 gives me 50 upon 100. So my two fractions are 50 upon 100 and 5 upon 100. 100 and 100 denominator is same. Now which is bigger, 50 or 5? 50 is bigger. So I can write 0.5 is greater than 0.05. E part, 1.23 or 1.2. Count the decimal places. After it, there are two digits in 1.23, so it will be divided by 100, and 1.2 there is only one digit after the decimal, so divided by 10. We will try to make it 100, so it becomes 120 upon 100. So 123 and 122 numbers in the numerator. 123 is a bigger number, so we will write 1.23 is greater than 1.2. F part, 0.099 or 0.19. 0.099, 3 places after the decimal, so it will be divided by 1000. Fraction is 99 upon 1000. 0.19 means two digits after the decimal, so 19 upon 100. We will convert it into 1000, so it becomes 190 upon 1000. So from 99 and 190, 190 is a greater number, so we will write it as 0.19 is greater than 0.099. G part, 1.5 or 1.50. So 1.5 means 15 upon 10. 1.50 means 150 upon 100. So converted into hundreds for the first digit, it becomes 150 upon 100. Both are same, so we will put equal to sign. Nothing is greater here. H part, 1.431 or 1.490. Both the cases we have 3 digits after the decimal, so divided by 1000. So from both the cases we come to know that 1490 is a bigger number, so we will write it as 1.490 is greater than 1.431. I part, 3.3 or 3.300. 3.3 means 33 upon 10. Okay, 3.300 means 3300 upon 1000. So let us make it 1000 in the first digit. It becomes again 3300 upon 1000. Both the numbers are same, so we will put equal to sign in between. J part, 5.64 or 5.603. Now 5.64 means 564 upon 100. 5.603 means 5603 upon 1000. Denominators are different. For the first number, we will convert it into 1000. It becomes 5640 upon 1000. So two numbers are 5640 and 5603. Which one is bigger? 5.64 is greater than 5.603. Question number 2. Make 5 more examples and find the greater number from them. Now here, from as per my own choice, I have taken 5 different examples and I have proved which one is greater or not. So the first one taken here is 3 or 3.4. This is clearly shows from the numbers itself that 3.4 is more than 3. Okay, first it will be 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4. But for the solving, we can solve it also. 3 will remain as 3. 3.4 will be written as 34 upon 10. So to make it same, I will multiply with 10. For the 3, it becomes 30 upon 10 and 34 upon 10. Two fractions. Definitely 34 upon 10 is greater than 30 upon 10. So I can write 3.4 is greater than 3. 1 or 0.02. Now 1 is a whole number and 0.02 lies between 0 and 1. So that means it is less than 1. It is clearly showing that 1 is greater than 0.02. 2.8 or 2.88. Now if you see, both the numbers have 2.8. The 10th part is also 8. So it clearly shows that 2.88 is greater than 2.8. 0.5 or 1.05. So 0.5 can be written as 5 upon 10. 1.05 will be written as 105 upon 100. Denominators are different. We will make it same. It will become 50 upon 100 and 105 upon 100. So which shows that 105 is a bigger number than 50. So it means that 1.05 is greater than 0.5. Last example, 1.03 or 1.2. 1.03 can be written as 103 upon 100. 1.2 will be written as 12 upon 10. Denominators are different, make it same. So fraction becomes 103 upon 100 and 120 upon 100, which shows that 120 is a bigger number than 103. So we can write it as 1.2 is greater than 1.03. With this, we finished exercise 8.3. I hope you must have understood how we have to find out which is a greater number or not. Try to make it into a fraction and see that the denominators are same. And then from the numerator, very easily you can find out which is a bigger number. See you soon in the next video, children. I am going to come with exercise 8.4. Till then, goodbye. Take care.